What is going on, YouTube? I'm Valentino with Next Gen Speed, and I finally got some new tires, some 285 3520 Michelin Pilot Sports. So let's get them mounted up, put on my car, okay? I've had my car for about a year and 2 months now, so my tires are pretty bald. Especially after doing some burnouts and donuts a little bit, but finally got some new tread, and finally gonna be able to hook. Yeah, Bell Tire wanted literally $100 to put these on just for 2 tires. So I'm on my way to Discount Tire to save 30 bucks. So let's head up there. Officially here, got them all paid for, about $72 total. And it is about to take like 2 hours to do it. So I got a little break from work. Kind of sucks losing out on some money, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Probably about to get some food. Got Cadobo over here. I'm thinking about getting some Subway or some shit while my car is getting work done. Actually, looks like we got a Wahlburgers up here. For those of you guys that don't know what Wahlburgers is actually a restaurant owned by Mark Wahlberg's family, which is like a movie actor from Transformers. It's a little burger joint, which is honestly not that good to me. I have some Serbian, Macedonian foreign blood in me, so I need some seasoning to my stuff. So you got some baguette to that or something. It's been about 3 hours, about 85 degrees out here. I mean, my slushy, still waiting. But at least they're taking their time. I'm about 20 minutes away from work and about 35 minutes away from home, so I can't just leave, you know. And she's all done. Got the Pilot Sports on. Finally got some tread on these bad boys. Make sure there's no scrapes, no scratches or nothing. There's one right here, and there's like a crack through the paint right here. It's the same on the other side.
I could waive the installation. I could give you back the 72 bucks that you paid.
I mean, I guess I could appreciate that, yeah. Just so I could use that just to get it touched up a little bit. It's only 1 year old too.
Yeah, if that's cool with you, I'm happy.
Yeah, as long as that's okay with you.
Yeah, no, come on in. Okay. We'll take care of that for you.
All right, guys, officially back in the car. Got the wheels mounted up. But as they were done, I did notice some problems with the wheel. Not really too major, not too big of a problem. But I did notice some marks, like little chip marks, about 2 or 3 on each rim, and then about the same areas. Not really sure where they're from, but the guy talked to me about it and worked out a little deal and waived the price of the installation. So I pretty much got the wheels installed for free. And let me know in the comments below where you prefer to get your tires installed and where you get your work done, because I need some tips and some places for real. And even though the guy kind of messed up my rooms a little bit by getting them installed, you guys were very nice, very helpful, and very nice guys, and it just kind of sucks. But yeah, thanks to the guys in Discount Tire and Taylor. Oh, hell yeah. These grips are so damn good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, though. Please like and subscribe for more. I will see you guys next time. And here we are in Mexico, Michigan. Someplace to get some runs in. Good at night, though. Let's get a quick pull in. So much better than the regular stock Goodyear run flats. Like, goddamn, I love it. Stock Goodyears are not bad, but these just literally shit on them.